Nanubabo ka balen, kausakay po ako Louis Season.
Marco natin, we're in Pampanga.
Guys, nung maninton kayong pipagkimikan, Alvin yung video ngayon.
So tara, let's go!
Affordable din in drinks and food. Like ang junkie no makapunta. Pang masa yan. In short.
Safe kasi dito, hindi tulad sa iba na bar, parang magulo.
Yes.
Dito chill ka, tsaka yung makita mo mga tao professionals.
Bakit ako nga balik dito? Kasi masarap yung, una-una masarap yung pagkain nila. Lalo na pag sinubukan niyo yung mga menu, like yung yung tofu, masarap yun, sobrang sarap nun. Tsaka dito kasi sobrang chill, at saka napaka nung crowd, hindi magulo dito, napakatahimik. At saka ang laki-laki ng parking nila, unlike sa ibang area na mga problema ka sa parking. At saka malamig yung mga drinks, so dito masarap. Try nyo, parking lot.
Okay, so abetala rin bandang H2O, guys. One of the must-see na banda ka rin lilibot kayo ng Angeles na. And kaya kaming table, guys, ating kaming sisig fries, ating pizza bangus, ini is shawarma salad, of course. Ating namo mo ng stuffed pusit kayo ni. Aside from the nice chill out, ang po pang good band, good music, ang pang nice drinks na, manyama lang mo naman po pamangan kayo ni. So, nanano tapat ang mantana, ini na, sir. Pita ka balenda ka na salamat po kay Pamanal Beking kay aming vlog ini. Guys, if you're looking for your, after work gig, or even itang Friday and Saturday night out, parang mo yan, they are open from 5 p.m. up until 4 a.m.
the next day.
the following day. And every day, luwa-luwala po rin bands da.
So then bands for Monday is Dr. Flavor, for Tuesday is Camp Iniwan, for Wednesday is Kiro, for Thursday it's Fourth Republic, Friday is H2O, Saturday is Tree Soul, and for Sunday, Pot Zambrano.
High caliber bands at saka singers na. So again guys, dakala salamat po kay Pamanal Beking kaya kaming video. Until our next discovery.
Peace out!
Bye! But guys, on March 23, 2020, first year anniversary. Itang 7 bands na, itang everyday daily bands na. Guys, tugla po, kantala po kay Metong Aldo, ega na gana, abe-abela.